Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can remove the administrator password, or how can we reset the administrator password in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will be looking first at our settings. So here in the Windows search tab, please make a right click, go click on the settings option here, and then we will go with this accounts. And here, all you need to do is just to go to this sign in options, and you will look here if you want, or if you can change your settings. So, or change the password of your user. So all you need to do is just to select here the ways that you can sign in. So what have you chosen, the what ways you have chosen to sign in, and just click on that. So I have the password. So all you need to do is just to click on this change button here, and if you have forgotten your password, then there is another way on how you can reset it or change it. So just close this window, and then we will be going to the command prompt option. So please make a click here in the Windows search tab and then type CMD, and then you will get this command prompt options under best match. So here in the right section, please go click on the run as administrator option, and then you will get this user account control window coming up. All you need to do is just to click on this yes button, and then we will proceed with this black window here. So all you need to do is just to type here the command net user, and then click on enter, and then you will be given with the information of the user. And then here all you need to do is just to type again net user, and then after typing user you will need to type the username. So we have the username here, and then after the username, so I'll just type username and then type star. And once you have done that, just click on the enter, and then it will ask you to type a password. So since you want to remove the password, just click on enter again, and it will ask you to retype the password. So just click on enter again. And once you have done that, just please click on enter, close this window, and then restart your device and see if the problem, or see if the administrator password has been already moved. Once you're done with this one, you're good to go. Close this window, and then that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.